Hello everyone. Congratulations to all the students who have successfully cleared NID Prelims 2024. Your hard work has paid off. And now it's time to gear up for the next stage of the exam. NID Mains is just around the corner and the pressure is on. But don't worry, we have got the perfect tool to help you ace your exam. The SILICA home coaching kit for NID Studio Test. The kit is your one-stop shop for getting that real studio test experience from the comfort of your own home. Imagine practicing with actual tests like exercises, mock tests, and tons of valuable resources, all designed by NID IIT alumni who know exactly what it takes to succeed. This kit is more than just a material, it's your personalized pathway to NID success. So let's start with an unboxing. I'm really excited to see what's in there.
Now let's unbox the kit. So here are the 10 mock studio tests. Each one is unique, presenting you with the different materials and challenges, just like the actual exam. These tests are your training ground, helping you hone your time management, creative thinking, and design skills. Take a look at this. Mock studio test number 1. Ask you to design a portable handle within the time frame of 1 hour using these materials. Thick rubber band, thin pipe, small rubber bands, thread, A4 size mount board, U-clips. Now let's move to mock studio test 6. Here the challenge shifts to creating a space-saving table capable of accommodating anywhere from 2 to 8 people. Again, you are given an hour to solve this test with the following materials: A4 size mount board, A4 size color chart paper, aluminium wire, rope, straws, broomsticks, U-clips. Additionally, you get the studio test workbook and materials like muslin cloth, modeling clay, plier, Fevicol tube, cutter, 6-inch scale, a scissor, pencil, and a sellotape.
I hope this unboxing video gave you a glimpse of how the SILICA home coaching kit can empower your NID mains preparation. Remember, investing in your dream is investing in your future. Head over to www.silica.co.in to grab your kit today. Also, it is available on Amazon. So all the very best for the NID mains preparation.